go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him, it's a bitch of both. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Used to follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, I the period. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him, it's a bitch of both. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Used to follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, I the period.
Trouble when it's in the household, oh damn yeah man. Ho, never knew, no I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third, trouble when it's in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing back.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, if you're not new, then you already know what's up. Okay, so let me tell y'all this. I'm about to, this is a get ready with me video, so it's not gonna be as long as y'all think it is though, but you know. But I'm finna take a shower and then I'm gonna show y'all the fit first for the day and show y'all and take a shower, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do my makeup. I'm thinking about doing makeup on my face today. I ain't did makeup on my face in so long, but I'm thinking about doing it today. I'm gonna eat some Cheerios too, but we'll do my makeup and that's it. Oh yeah, and I might go get me a tea from my nutrition tea place, so it might be put in here, but stay tuned. Okay, so y'all, here go the tea. I got the maroon yoga, well, gym pants. I got these long sleeve shirts from the mall. Then I got my Michael Kors purse. You just gonna see it. Then I got my pink shoes right here. So I'm just going for like a pink, maroon, you know, so simple for real. Cause I do gotta go shopping. So this video is really for me going shopping today. So that's the fit for today. Yes. Okay, so y'all wait with me. Let me put y'all on real fast. Okay, so Dove just came out with this right here. This New Balance white peach and rice milk. It smells so good. And then I had to get the body scrub because it wasn't right. So just get that and not get this. So we just had to get them too. But I am gonna take a shower though. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all the feet. I got my shoes, my pink shoes on, my purple gym pants, this shirt. Oh yeah, it got writing on the back too. It got writing on the back. I might close purse. Now it's time for me to go up here and do something to my head. Cause baby, my hair look bad. I'm finna brush it, curl it, everything.
Trouble when it's in the household, oh damn yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Be careful when it's in the household, oh damn yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third. Trouble when it's in the household, oh damn yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's.
So as y'all can see, my hair fell, but I had to recurl it though. But I don't see it did no different because it's still the same way. But this, I think this is gonna be the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos that I post. And bye.